The quality of work was probably one of the things we were most happy with. Everything they did, from the labor to the materials, was just absolutely top notch. They just did an incredible job, and the attention to detail was phenomenal. I'm Jason Detweiler, and Lang's Kitchen and Bath completed our total kitchen renovation as well as installing new flooring in our entire downstairs. So our kitchen, before we got it remodeled, it was very dark. It was not very open, and we didn't really know what we wanted to have done. We just knew we wanted to change it. From the moment we started talking to John and Dana, they just exceeded all of our expectations and really gave us a great guide on what we were looking for in our kitchen. Some of the great ideas they had for us were our beverage center. They gave us a great recommendation for a farmhouse sink. The appliance recommendations they gave us were great, and as well as the floor. We have little kids and a dog and a cat. The recommendation they gave us was this new flooring that looks like real wood but doesn't scratch, is waterproof, and we've been just really happy with it. I would absolutely recommend Lang's for any home improvements you have to do. If we ever need a bathroom or really any remodel done, they'll be the first people I call.